Hello, good morning, everyone. I am Sagar, and today I am going to explain you this problem of the day. So, today's problem of the day lies in easy category, and this is copy set bits in range. So, let me read the question. So, given two numbers x and y and a range LR, where uh, L greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 31. So you have to copy the set bits of y in the range L to R in x, return this modified x. Note range count will be from right to left and start from 0. So let me explain this question by taking this example. So basically we have given a number x and y, and we have to we have given a number, just wait a minute, we have given a number x and y and L and R. Basically we have to count how many set bits are there in y range L to R, and we have to set those bits in our x, and we have to return our modified x. So this is what we have to do. So let me explain you how can we do that. Just wait a minute, let me clear it. So in this question we have given a x is equal to 44 and our y is 3, and we know that the binary of 3 is 0 0 0 0 and 1 1. So we have to count that how many set bits are there from range from left to right. And what is right? Right is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is right. We have to count set bits in this range. So how can we count that? So let me explain you. In first step we will count our L is 0, then our binary is 0 0 0 and 1 1. We will take end with 1. So 0 0 0 0 0 and 1. We will take end, and after doing this, if our current bit is 1 and our or we are taking end with end, so our both bits are 1 and we are taking end, then we will get a positive number. So because we know that if any of bit is if both bits is 1, then after doing end we will get a positive number, or you can say 1. So if you'll get a positive number, that's mean the current bit is set. Then we have to set that bit in our x. So our x binary is 101100. So our current bit is 0, and our current bit is set in our y. So we have to set that bit. After setting that bit, we'll get 101101. So we have to now we have to go to next step. The next step we will have binary like this. Now we have to check for next bit. So our next bit is 1. So how can we do that? We have to shift our bit to backward. We can do that by using this, and we are updating our L every time. So now our binary will become like this. So we are taking end with and we can see that our current bit is 1, and we are taking end with 1. So if both bit is 1, then we'll get a positive number. So we'll get a positive number. So that's mean our current bit is set. So we have to set that bit in our x. So we can see that in our x our current bit is 0. So we will set that bit, and after setting that bit will get 1 1. Now we have to check for next bit. So we'll increase our left by plus plus, then we will shift backward by l l bits. Now we'll do 1 0 0 0 1 1. We have to check for this bit. So 0 0 0 1 0 0. We'll take end. So our current bit is 0 in our binary, and we are taking end with 1. So if any of bit is 1, then we will get a 0. So we will get 0. So that's mean the current bit is not set. Then we will not modify our current bit in x. So we will check for next bit. So we have to check this. We will keep on doing checking until we will hit our range r. So this is what we have to do. So let me explain you how can we code this. So I will decrease my L, because we have given L is equal to 1, and we have to check from 0th index. So let me explain you how can you do that. We will decrease our L minus minus, Then we will run a for loop, L less than R. So this is what we have to do, R. Then we'll check, is a current bit set or not. So we will take, so this is what we have to do. If we are getting a positive number, that means our current bit is set. Then we have to set in our X. So how can we do that? So we'll take or 1 left shift. So we have set it our current bit in X. Then we have to increase our L, and we'll return our X. So I think I have done with our code, so I'm running it. So you can see that our code is working fine. So I'm going to submit it. So you can see that our code is working fine and we got a correct answer. So thank you. This is all about today's question.